Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to log in Railcard on your PC. Railcard is a discount card intended to encourage leisure travel by rail. To log into Railcard, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.railcard.co.uk/login. UK stands for Web Code of United Kingdom. With that, press on enter and you'll be taken to Railcard's website where you can see the sign in page. Now on the left side here you can see the login section. First enter your email address that you have used to create your account on the given box. Then enter your correct password on the given box. If you have forgotten your password, click on I have forgotten my password. If you have problems signing in, then click on trouble logging in. With that, if you haven't registered your account, click on register at the right side. After entering all your information, click on log in. With that, you'll be logged in to your Railcard account. This is how we can log in Railcard on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.